Welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about how you can customize your wizard or enable or disable your wizard. Okay, so this is the wizard. You can see here are lots of things. Okay, first of all we can see the weather insights. Okay, so there are many things here. So if you want to customize, just like weather, if I want to customize my weather, I can customize my weather. Okay, like see, we can see this one. Okay, market. So if I want to customize it, I can customize to whatever I want to see. Okay, this is the first thing. And also this one. Okay, you can add your channel, what kind of news you want to see and what kind of news you want to know. Okay, so you can customize or you can add whatever channel you want. And also there are also other settings here, so you can use it and discover many more things. And if you want to disable this is by default enabled. So if you want to disable it, right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings. And when you click your taskbar settings, you can see here the wizard is already enabled. When you click on it, then it will turn off. Okay, you can turn off here. Okay, now the wizard is gone. Okay, I'll turn on again. Okay, so that's it for today. We can